Some of those are big. Oh, they're just bouncing around.
It's okay, guys. You're all right. Come here, bus. You can go way up the bed if you're ready. Silver's not scared.